Okay, good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the coordinate geometry third lesson. So, in the third lesson, exercise first. Okay, now we are going to learn about the first problem. Question number one: how will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? So, it means if you have only a straight line, we can tell it as it is about 3 centimeter away, 4 centimeter away, or 4 meters away, or 3 meters away. But here, where it is located in this table lamp, we can see here. See, the table lamp is located here. So to tell your friend that accurately it is in position in that such a position, in a certain position, what you have to tell? We have to use the word, or you have to do the partition here. How you are going to do the partitions? Already have seen in the graph books how they will do the partitions in the graph books. Like that, on the same thing, for each centimeter they are going to draw a line here. Then by using this graph sheet, you can accurately tell your friend that the table lamp is positioned in that place or in that particular place. So where we will use these terms, why you are using the graph for this one? So because if you are measuring a line or a straight line, if the length of a straight line, we can tell it as easily by using a scale. But here the position of the lamp they are asking. So to use the position, to find the position of a lamp, how you are going to find out? So you are going to plot the graph, or on the graph sheet we can plot it easily. So here, how to use this one? See, look at here. This point we will call it as a coordinate points. This one is 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is a horizontal line. This one is the vertical line. Okay, this one sleeping line we'll call it as horizontal line, standing line we'll call it as vertical line. What will happen here if you're going to do the partitions for each centimeters? So here they have given it already it as 4. It means here one more partition we have to do, but here it is not possible to do it now. So what is the term here? It is in the x-axis, and this one is the y-axis. The vertical line is the y-axis and horizontal line is the x-axis. The position of the horizontal line from here to here, what is this one? See, position from here to here. What is the straight line? If you're going to draw it here, means what will happen here? What is the point? 4. What is the point? 4. So next, if you're going to do with a vertical line, what about the vertical line? How many partitions are there? Here they have given it as 9. It means here the number is what? 9. So here the number is what? 9. To tell your friend that the table lamp is positioned in the point, how you are going to write the coordinate points? First you have to write the point of the x-axis. It means the horizontal line. Horizontal line point you have to write it first. What is it one? 4 comma, next what is the point of the point in the y-axis? It is 9. It means 4 comma 9 is the position of the table lamp. Okay, this is about the first question. Next we're going to deal with the second question. Oh, okay. Here, look at here. First, we'll read the question. Here, a city has two main roads which crosses each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south directions and east-west directions. North-south direction and east-west direction. So you have to plot a graph in such a way that north-south and east-west, you have to put it there. No need of writing x-axis, y-axis. But it is known that north-south direction is a y-axis and east-west direction is the x-axis. Here what you will do, a city has two main roads crossing each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. All the other streets of the city run parallel to these roads and are 200 meters apart. 200 meters apart. Listen this one carefully. What they given it as? 200 meters apart. There are about 5 streets in each direction. There are about how many streets? 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meters. Draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represent the roads or streets by single lines. There may be a cross street in your model. A particular. So up to here we will write it first. We will plot it first. See what they are given. There are about 5 roads. Which are the roads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are they given it in the 5 roads? So they have given it as a 5 roads. In the north direction there are 5 roads. In the west direction they have given 5 roads. Here what they have given? From here to here, what is the distance? 1 centimeter. They have given 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meters. What will happen? 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meters means. So from here to here, one road is there. So road 1 is what? Okay, here they have mentioned it. From one road to another road, it is having the distance of about 200 meters. Here we have 5 roads. So first of all, we are going to read the first question. What they are given? How many cross streets can be referred to as 4, comma 3? So first of all, we are going to find out the where is 4, comma 3. Here they have given first one as 4. What is the meaning of 4 there? So 4 refers to x-axis, and the next 3 refers to y-axis. So this one refers to x-axis and this one refers to y-axis. So what will happen? First of all, it is a plus 4. So here it is a coordinate point. The road crosses through the center of the city. It means it is 0. So if you're going towards the right direction, you have to write it as plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. If you're going to the left side, you have to write it as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So in the above term, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 in y-axis. In if you're going downwards, you have to write it as minus, 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 minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So here what they given? 4, comma 3 they are asking. What they're asking? 4, comma 3. So here what is the partition here from 0 to here? 4 partition they have done. So 4 will come here. It means not as it is like this. They will write it as 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 divisions they have to write it here. After 4th division, so sorry. Here from 1 to 4 they are given. What they are given? Here we have to write the 0. Here we have to write the 0. This one is the y-axis and this one is the x-axis. From here 1, 2, 3, 4 will come here. 4. Next, what about the 3? Here they have given it as the 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, if we consider this line as 0, 1, 2, 3 will come here. So this one is the accurate point. Here they have not mentioned the graph properly. So we'll write it as it is. So next one, only one cross, how many cross section streets can be referred to as 3, comma 4? Where is 3? First 3 refers to the x-axis. So x-axis line is this one. So here is there 3. Here we can see line 3, coordinate point of 3. And where is the 4? Y-axis 4. Y-axis means 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it will come. So this is the second point. So how many cross sections will come in this one? Only one cross street section refers to 4, comma 3. Which is that one? This one. See here. This one is the one cross section road and only one cross street refers to 3, comma 4. For that one also same thing, this line itself. Okay. Thank you, students.